같은 행복한 기분으로 입에 박힌 관념 다 버리고 이제 또 내 주먹 정신 다시 또 시작하면 나 이루리라 다 나 바라는 대로 지금 내가 있는 이 땅이 너무 좋아 이민 따위 생각한 적도 없었고요 그 같은 시간 아끼고 또 아끼며 나 비상하리라 나 바라는 대로
삶 속에도 저 바다 속에도 이렇게 행복할 순 없을 거야 랄랄랄라 구름 타고 세상을 알아도 지금처럼 좋을 수는 없을 거야 랄랄랄라 모든 게 마음 먹기 달렸어 어떤 게 행복한 삶인가요 사는 게 힘이 들다 하지만 쉽게만 살아가면 재미없어 빙고
독한 인생 고귀한 삶을 살며 부끄럼 없는 투명한 마음으로 이내 삶이 끝날 그 마지막 순간에 나 웃어보리라 나 바라는 대로
Teaching paths for rating of 5-axis cantilever machine. Today, we handle these sites, automatic welding teaching, started from this point. The same in teach mode. Add one last. K give 8. Get current parameter 100 millimeter per second speeds. And this point as half 30 diameter is 15. Y 140. Adding 20 minus 10 makes 150 millimeters. Z at 0 position. We have to incline the tool. This point, no change. Using CC Cartesian coordinate system. Y minus 30 degrees. Y minus plus 1, plus 2, plus 3 makes 60. Z plus once. This is the inclined tool. Change back to join mode. Modify. Get current position. Okay. This is the welding pose. We have to insert one line in front. At line number 1, insert. Right now, 2 lines, the same. Change to Cartesian coordinate system. X minus retract 3 times. Once, twice, 3 times, 3rd times. And change it back Cartesian code. Change it back to join modes. Modify. Get the machine coordinates. Okay. With 2 instructions right now. That's wrong. Okay. In front of the first instructions, insert and move to the first adding instruction. The first one and the first 2 are the same, created by insert function. We have to turn the B radius angle back to 90 degrees. These points don't change, only the angle adjusting. So go back to Cartesian coordinate system. Y minus once, twice, 3 times. Y becomes 88.5. Slower the speeds. Y minus continue pressing. Okay, 90. Okay, the B become 90 degrees. Change back to Joimo. Modify. Get the machine coordinates. Okay. The C still not correct. So in line number 1, insert. Move to line number 1. To let J5 become 0. J5 minus 6160. Move the speeds to the fastest. J5 plus once 1 minus 150, twice minus 140. Continue. Minus 0.575. Slower the speeds. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. 0.025. The point 0 is okay. So accuracy enough. Then modify. Get the machine coordinates. Okay. So in front, line number 1, still insert. Move to the line number 1. And the join mode, the speed adjust to the fastest. J3, 10 minutes up. Modify. Get current position. Before OK, we have to adjust the U and the V to 0. Okay. Then let's see what we have done. Vertical down and inclined to get the first welding. Then touch the first points, then the welding will along the circle to the top to these points. We have to get several points in between. Then head tail, push the left half to go to the tail, line number 5. This direction is positive Y direction, positive Z direction, and positive X direction. But the speeds we have to let it be smaller. The J3 Z plus once lift up, and Y plus up. Slower speeds. The X move. Okay. Then line. As positive. Suppose okay. Line. Okay. line. Y2 plus. Okay, line. Let's see what we have done wrong. Insert to these points and move up to the top. Then retract. Move the speed to the fastest and change to Cartesian coordinate system and retract S minus once, twice, third times. Change back to join mode and lock these points. And then turn the B to 90 degrees. This point don't change, only adjust the angle. Rotate Y, Cartesian coordinate system. 88. We have to let it be 90 degrees. Okay, 90 now. Join more. Lock these points. Then the GFI has to be 0. Speed to the maximum. GFI right now is minus, so we use GFI plus to go to the 0. .026. Lock this point and then retract 10 millimeters. Speed maximum. Gear 3 plus lift. Lock this point. Change, modify. U become 0. V become 0. Okay. Then the right side half. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Then save CC. Give file name test 2. Save it. Then delete the data by using renew. Now commencing to handle the left side. The same add one last. K8. Get the current parameter 100 millimeter per second. These points X still the same, minus 15. The Y 140, 160, 170, Y 170, Z equal to 0. Okay. Let's see this point. Welding points, but we have to incline the tool. These points don't change. Cartesian coordinate system. Y minus 1, 2, 3. Incline the 30 degrees. Z minus once. Okay. So this is welding pose. Modify. Get the machine coordinates. Okay. Oh, we forgot something. we not change back to join more, so the position changed. Do it again, renew it, add one last, K give 8, get a current parameter 100 millimeter per second. Change to join more first. Renew everything. Add one last, K8, get the current parameter, the X minus 15, the Y 170, the Z 0, and change Cartesian coordinate system. Y once, twice, 3 times. RZ once. So this is the touching pause. Change it back to join more. Modify. Get the machine coordinates. Okay. Then line number 1, insert another line back to Cartesian coordinate system. X minus retrace 1 twice, 3 times, back to join more. Modify, get a machine coordinate. Okay. 2 instructions already run. Okay. So insert one line before line number 1. Insert. Move to line number 1. Turn the B angle. This point, not touch, not move. Cartesian coordinate system. Y once, twice, 3 times, 88. Slower the speeds. Okay, 90 degrees already. Join more. Modify. Get machine coordinates. Okay. Insert one line. Move to line number 1. 160. Change back to 0. Move the speed to the fastest. Use G5 minus. Lower the speeds. Okay. Modify. Get coordinates. The speeds. Give 50. And then insert another line. Move to the line number 1. Speeds to the fastest. G3 plus. Modify. Get the machine coordinates. The speeds to the maximum, to the 100 millimeter per second. The U change to 0. The V to the accurate 0. So let's see what we have done. Okay, then from these points, climbing up to the top, the instructions has to be at the rear. Then number 5, move to. Okay, continue. Slow the speed to multiply 10. The Z lift up once. The Y minus. The X slower the speeds. Positive direction. Okay. Lock these points by using line. Gear 3, Gear 2 minus. Lower the speeds. Gear 1 plus. Okay. Lock by line. Gear 3, Gear 2 minus. Okay, line. Okay, lock these points. Last point. Let's see. Run. Okay, then retrieve back. Move to the fastest speeds. Change to the Cartesian coordinate system. Retrieve S minus 3 times. Change back to join modes and lock this point. This point no move. Let V become 90 degrees. Change to Cartesian coordinate system. Ry minus twice, 3 times, 88. Lower the speeds. $90. Okay. Join mode. Lock these points. Let J5 become 0. J5 minus. Okay, 0.07574. Lock this point. Change the speed half. $50. Then J3 plus up 10 and lock these points and modify U small arrow to V small arrow to 0. Okay, that's it. Let's run. Perfect at the left side. How to bind come together with the right half pass. Let's move to the head number 1 and use insert file. Insert test 2.cc. Then we have both sides. Let's see the visual action. Okay, perfect. Then save CC by using test 2. Again, that's then by using set array, we can copy this one to here and to here.